Hi, my name is Ko Fujimoto. Welcome to CHI Border YouTube. I am going to give it a try to explain United States lifetime gift and estate tax exclusion. In 2024, the amount is $13.6 million. $13.6 million. It's a huge amount. So it makes sense for you to understand this rule if you are cross-border individuals and you're, taking care of your families. So let me give kind of a three-step approach to explain this. The U.S., compared to other countries, has a unique system of gift and estate or inheritance or estate tax system. The person who gives a gift is responsible for filing returns and paying taxes. The estate, not the person who passed away, but the person who passed away leaves the estate, the asset. The asset will be responsible for filing the estate tax return and, if so, paying estate taxes. So that's number one concept that I want you to understand. Number two concept that is very important is annual exclusion amount. Besides the lifetime exclusion, there is an annual exclusion amount. The annual exclusion for 2024 is $18,000. This means that you can give a gift to one person, a specific person, up to $18,000 and you don't have to file gift tax return and you don't have to pay gift tax. So this 18,000 gradually increase based on inflation under the current rules. So this is a second explanation, right? You have a certain amount that you don't have to do anything. Okay. So the third step that I want you to understand is the mechanism of how this annual exclusion and the lifetime exclusion come into play together. And this is how it works. Let's say you give out gift. Let's take $1 million and $18,000 in 2024 to your son. Okay, $1 million and $18,000. Well, this year's gift exclusion, annual gift exclusion is 18,000. So you were actually made a taxable gift of $1 million. 1,018,000 minus 18,000 is $1 million. $1 million. Under normal circumstances, you pay gift tax on the 1 million amount exceeding the annual exclusion. However, there's a lifetime exclusion amount, which is 13.61. So here you can reduce your 13.61 million, or in other words, you can use $1 million of whatever lifetime exclusion that you have in that particular year. So when you pass away, you may have not used at all your annual exclusion, or no, I'm sorry, this is very important. I can't make a mistake here. You may have not used your lifetime exclusion, but if you did, you 2024, 2025, 2026, I use this much and this much and this much. So when you pass away, whatever lifetime exclusion amount of that year, because the amount changes each year too. So next year, 13.61 would be a different number. So any summation, the sum of your amount over your specific year's annual exclusion, you need to extract or you need to deduct amount from the lifetime exclusion amount of that year when you pass away. So let's say 2024, you pass away and you have not utilized any of the, you have never gave a gift that exceeding the annual exclusion, so you have 13.61 million there. You can use and to your estate, that amount of money that you're gonna leave. However, if you use up all of them, $13.6 million already in the past years in a gift, then you have zero lifetime exclusion left, and whatever left is subject to U.S. estate taxes. So I think key feature is gift tax and estate tax are connected over the lifetime of the person. And this is the kind of a 5-minute explanation of how the lifetime exclusion system works in the United States. Obviously, there are a lot of exceptions, and I am not going to refer to those exceptions. You should check with your professionals, tax professionals, to make sure that you comply with these rules. However, there will be, I think there is a proactive, approach that you can take advantage of this 13.6 million or whatever amount next year and pay no taxes and be able to move your asset to a different person, your children or your grandchildren or your friends and so forth. So it is a tremendous tax planning opportunity for cross-border individuals and their families. The requirement, one of the key requirement is the concept called domicile. And there is other video, and maybe one or two videos that I am going to produce. I want you to refer to those videos to understand accurately what the domicile concept is. Because if I try to explain it, the video gets too long and content gets too complicated and you get confused, and I get confused too. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Take care.